So, I just left Descanso Gardens and thought ice cream sounded good, so I Yelped it and I found a little place in Old Town Montrose, California. And that's where we are now. It's a cute little town. It's about 13 miles from downtown Los Angeles, but looks like a little town in the middle of anywhere. Let's go check it out. The one thing from the pandemic that I kind of like is outdoor dining. I know some places it's an issue. Where I live, it's an issue because they've closed off entire streets through traffic to make it for dining. But when they do it like this, I think it works. I like eating al fresco, as they say. And chips and salsa and guac. You cannot go wrong with chips and salsa and guac. Old bowling alley over there. Montrose Bowling. And they are booking now, guys. I guess you need to book your bowling alley appointments. I love this old architecture. I don't know if it's late 50s, early 60s. I'm sure they filmed some TV shows where like 10 miles from Burbank where all the studios are. Mexican food. One of my top two favorites. Again, outdoor dining. Love it. Up here on our left is where I found for my ice cream. It's excellent. It's all homemade ice cream. I had a peanut butter cup milkshake. I'll put a picture of it now. I even put an image of it inside. This is where we wait. Tiny, cute. Again, these old buildings, I just love them. Old storefronts. That's now called, I don't know, what's that say? Put it in the comments if you know what that says. I don't know. But it used to be called the Dive-In. It's a cute little area. I did some research really quick while I was eating my milkshake. Milkshake. Do you eat a milkshake or do you drink a milkshake? Well, I was partaking of my milkshake, and it's kind of expensive to live here. It's 41% above the national average. Schools are excellent. And again, you are 13 miles from downtown Los Angeles, 10 miles from Hollywood, and even closer to Burbank. So I'm sure it's a lot of industry people here, people who work in downtown Los Angeles. Puppy dogs. Something you don't see every day, a clock store. The Executive Clock Gallery. Again, old architecture up there. I don't even know anybody who owns clocks. My father at one point was into pocket watches and all that stuff, but everybody now, it's all digital. Apple watches. I think at our home we have the clock on our microwave and the clock on our oven, and that's it. You know you are in an affluent area if they have a one-off toy store. That's not a chain store. Let's cross the street over we can. I gotta love Mexican food again. My favorite are Mexican and Italian. Pepe's. Just a really cute area. It's weird when you go to the website to look about the history of Montrose, California. They acknowledge that there are several myths about the town. I don't know if they're joking or if they're serious. Yeah, there's a little outdoor dining area over there. Very nice. It is dinner time right now, and it smells really good as you walk down the street. You're just smelling food, all different kinds of food. It seems like also here. Everyone seems to know everyone, which is kind of cool. Has that small town feel, which is rare for Los Angeles. I'm sure it's rare for anywhere now. It's pretty. That was parking enforcement. One thing really weird about this town is all up and down the street are parking meters, but they take coins only. Most parking meters are either digital, you have to have your phone, or you slide a credit card, but you have to have a quarter in your pocket to park here. I have no quarters in my pocket, so I had to go find a side street and walk my way in. Wow, Technics. I haven't seen Technics since I was a kid. A whole place just for Technics. Wow. It's pretty cool. More outdoor dining. I think we're coming to the end over here. Up that road is back to Descanso Gardens. But yeah, so this is Old Town Montrose, California. Just a quick video today. Hope you liked it. Get anywhere you want us to go. If there's neighborhoods in LA you would like to see, in California you'd like to see, I'll make a drive for you. Let me know. Until next time, take care. And we'll see you where the road takes us.